Hi guys, my name is Dean Ginto from DeanOnlinePitch.com, and you're watching one of my review videos for the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called the Opal System. Stay tuned. Now in today's video, I'll be making a review and walkthrough of how the Opal system works. Now, as a reminder, this new product launch will go live on November 30th, so you'll be able to get access to the Opal system when this goes live. Now I'm here inside of the members area of the Opal system. Now, to put this briefly, the Opal system is a program that includes a page builder where you can add all your affiliate information and start promoting one of Jono Armstrong's high-ticket product that is successful and one of the best program that is converting well. Now, Jono Armstrong is actually my mentor, and he does create all this great products, and he's a very good mentor to my successful journey with my online marketing, just so you know. And he does create one of the best products in Warrior Plus out there, and so I do follow him all the time, and he is one of the reasons why I'm successful with my online marketing journey. Now, with the Opal system, this program does include walkthrough training, so you can follow along how you can set this up quickly. And this also includes a 100 ad voucher that you can use for traffic, so you don't have to find traffic yourself, and it does help lessen the effort. So this program is created to simplify your workload. Now I want to talk about the benefits of the Opal system. Now, I love the done for you page builder inside of this program because this is included on the front end of the Opal system. And for those of you who are new to how to do an online marketing, there is also walkthrough training available inside of the program. And so for all of you beginners and newbies out there, you can also take advantage of this simple but powerful program. Now, this is very easy to use, very easy to set up a program that will get you started to promote one of the Jono Armstrong's high ticket offer, which is a ton of money when you earn your commissions using this method. Now, as for traffic, inside of this course, we'll explain you further more information about how to get them so you can use that to your advantage and start promoting this offer right away without having to build your own website. You don't have to make your review video or even buy an autoresponder, which is going to cost you extra money. But with this program, this is created to simplify the process on how you can earn your commissions with this done for you page to send to a 100 ad voucher traffic. Now I'm going to give you a walkthrough of the Opal system. So as you can see here, this is inside of the members areas. As you can see here, this is the introduction welcome video, and this is where you can register for the training call over here. So right next to that is the MOF walkthrough. So MOF means Ministry of Freedom. This is a high ticket course in Warrior Plus. This converts well, and there's a lot of members inside of the program. So with this system, it's going to give you a quick walkthrough on how you can start promoting this product. So as you can see here, there is a video walkthrough that you're gonna watch, and this is pretty much how you can get access to the MOF app. This is where you apply for your MOF approval and apply for your MOF Warrior Plus link. So for this, the MOF app, it does looks like this. So I click on that and it's going to look like this here. So this is the Ministry of Freedom page generator. So as you can see here, this is where you pretty much add the fields here inside of this blank areas. All you got to do is just fill this out. Okay, so fill this out and then you're good to go with the Opal system. Now, next would be the resources. So this is where you're going to learn how you can do the YouTube ads for the Ministry of Freedom. So here is the video ad 1, 2, and 5, up through 5. This is where you can go ahead and use this YouTube ads for Ministry of Freedom. And once you watch all this video ads training, then you can go ahead and go on to the advanced training. So over here's a video advanced training. This is pretty intense. You can learn more about this Opal system program. And also, this is where you can get access to the bonuses. And don't forget, I also offer you my free bonuses as well. So on top of the vendor bonuses that is provided for this program, I'm also going to offer you my free bonuses as well. That was my Alexa, so sorry about that, but again, you're gonna get my free bonuses as well, which I will cover later on this video.
I'm having trouble here.
Okay.
Can you say that again?
And then, sorry about that. That is my, I can't say the name because then it's gonna start talking. But moving forward, here are the available upgrades that I will also cover later in this video. So once you pick up the front end of the Opal system, then it's gonna give you a walkthrough of the upgrades. Once you pick it up, so you can get access here, or it's gonna prompt you to get access to the upgrades for the Opal system. So as you can see here, this is pretty much straightforward. There is no going through each of the modules until you get tired of it, and it's just, this is created to simplify the process for you to promote the Ministry of Freedom, which is a high ticket course. So pretty much the program costs about $1,000 plus $1,000+ and then once you start promoting the product, then it's gonna help you get the half of the commissions. And it's pretty awesome how he just laid it out in a simple way but very powerful tool. And so this is inside of the Opal system. Really like this awesome method is because again, it's gonna benefit all the beginners out there and the newbies out there. And also with the commissions that you're going to be getting, it's a lot of money. And so I also like the YouTube ads here, where you can use a $100 voucher to get you started sending that to your traffic, so you really don't have to do all this social syndication part, which is kind of time consuming. But other than that, this program is perfect for beginners. Anyone can use this, take advantage of the high ticket offer that you're going to be getting inside of the Opal system. So now I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. Now if you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up the Opal system, this is going to go live on November 30th. That's when you'll be able to click on any of these yellow buttons here. That's going to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. And then right down here is where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now you need to pick up before the countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page here, because when my countdown timer runs out, then all of my bonuses will disappear, and that's obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on. Now to claim these bonuses, they are 100% free of charge and instantly will deliver to you. And all you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in the description that's gonna come through to my bonus page here. Just scroll down and click on any of these yellow buttons here that's gonna go through to the sales page. That's where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now, if you have any questions about the bonuses, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page. Send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now, these bonuses that I'm offering to you that I just mentioned to you earlier is completely free of charge, even if you just pick up the front end, which is at time of recording this video is only going to be $16.97 in price. And also, you can upgrade your front end purchase for those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs, so you can get more access to the upgrades to help meet your needs for your online business. Now, please consider checking out all the upgrades if you want to increase your chances for earning more money. So right down here, you're gonna find all this upgrade information onto my bonus page. You can go ahead and click the link down below and scroll down, and here are all the information of the upgrades that you can go ahead and check out. So as you can see here, so the front end is which I'm mainly promoting this for my promotion onto my video and also to my blog. But to get the pro edition, you're gonna need to upgrade this Opal system. And over here is the pro includes another 2 standalone fully automated Instagram and Twitter traffic software. So it's gonna teach you all this social media traffic tools over here. It's really powerful, so you can get the unlimited YouTube traffic solution for this offer for upsell number 1. Upsell number 2 is a done for you, which is been tested and it's proven to convert. So if you want more money for this program, then you're gonna have to upgrade this done for you package. These evergreen offers are personally made for Jono Armstrong, who has over 75,000, and are plug and play simple for customers to exploit the Opal system traffic. Now, each campaign includes email swipes, bonus pages, bonuses, and review videos. Upgrade number 3 is the mega bundle. So this one includes the JavaScript commission bot, reseller rights, insurgency commissions, and also Gemini reseller rights. Now you sell this as if this is your own, and you can take away the commissions through the whole funnel with this upgrade here. Upgrade number 4 is your license to rights. So as you can see the price here, it's really not that expensive, but this will give you license rights to the Opal system. And so that brings me to the end of this video. Now, thank you so much for watching my Opal system review. Now, I hope you enjoyed my review video, and make sure to click the link below to purchase Opal system at a discounted price. And also don't forget to pick up my free bonuses that you can check out down below in the description of this video. Now, I'll see you guys onto my next video, and thanks again for watching my review video. Now, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys onto my next video.